Welcome to Iceland. Welcome to the end of the world, or perhaps the beginning. Iceland is not just a country, it is a laboratory of the planet. A place where the Earth is still being born, puffing steam and pouring fire into the cold Atlantic. Welcome back to Phu Discovery. Today, we journey to an island forged in the mid-Atlantic ridge, where two tectonic plates are slowly tearing the land apart. This is a landscape of raw, brutal power, a kingdom of fire and ice that humbles every soul that wanders its shores. Here, nature doesn't ask for permission, it commands respect. Let us step into the forge of the north. Thingvellir, the crack in the world. Our journey begins at Thingvellir National Park. This is not just a valley, it is a scar on the face of the earth. Here, you can stand between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates. Every year, they drift apart by 2 centimeters, creating a deep canyon that tells the story of a world in motion. But Thingvellir is also the heart of Icelandic history. In the year 930, the Vikings established the Althing here, the world's first parliament. Imagine the Norsemen standing against these basalt walls, their voices competing with the wind to create laws for a new land. In Iceland, geography and democracy were born in the same place. Gullfoss and glacier, the breath of the abyss. Nearby, the earth begins to breathe. At the glacier geothermal area, the ground is painted in shades of sulfur and iron. Every few minutes, Strokkur erupts, a boiling pillar of water shot 30 meters into the sky. It is a reminder that just beneath our feet, a furnace is burning. And then, there is Gullfoss, the Golden Falls. The Vita River plunges into a deep canyon in 2 massive tiers, creating a mist that glows with rainbows. Standing at the edge of Gullfoss, you feel the vibration in your bones. It is the sound of gravity winning, a roar that has continued since the glaciers first began to melt. This is the power that shaped the Vikings, unyielding, beautiful, and terrifying. The south coast, the legendary falls. Driving along the ring road, the landscape is a constant cinematic montage. To the left, the glaciers. To the right, the Atlantic. Here we find Seljalandsfoss, a waterfall that allows you to walk behind its veil of water. Looking out through the falling water, the world becomes a blurred dream. Further east is Skagafoss, a wall of water so perfect it looks painted. Legend says a Viking buried a chest of gold behind it. But the real gold is the light hitting the spray at golden hour. These falls are the messengers of the highlands, carrying the meltwater of the giants down to the black sands below. In Iceland, every waterfall has a voice, and they are all singing about the ancient ice Reynisfjara, the graveyard of giants. The sand here is not yellow, it is the color of midnight. Reynisfjara is the most famous black sand beach in the world. Formed by volcanic rock crushed by the waves, it is a place of dark, haunting beauty. Massive basalt columns, the garter, look like a stone organ built by a mad god. Out in the ocean, the Reynisfjara needles rise from the surf. Folklore tells us they are trolls who were turned to stone when the sun rose. But beware the sneaker waves. The Atlantic here is hungry and unpredictable. Reynisfjara is a place that reminds us that in Iceland, beauty and danger are 2 sides of the same coin. It is a landscape that doesn't care about your plans. Vatnajökull and Jökulsárlón, diamonds on black sand. We approach the kingdom of the ice giants. Vatnajökull is Europe's largest glacier, a frozen desert that covers 8% of the island. It is a time capsule of the world's climate, holding air bubbles from thousands of years ago. At Jökulsárlón, the glacier crumbles into the sea. Blue icebergs float silently in the lagoon, looking like ghosts from another era. They eventually wash up on the Diamond Beach, where they sit on the black sand like giant jewels. To touch this ice is to touch history. It is cold, ancient, and dying. As the climate warms, these diamonds are melting faster, a beautiful but tragic reminder that even the giants are fragile. This is the most silent place in Iceland, yet it speaks the loudest about our future. Mývatn and the north, the breath of the dragon. Crossing the barren plateaus to the north, the landscape becomes alien. Around Lake Mývatn, the earth is scarred by craters and boiling mud pots. This is the Krafla volcanic system, where the ground still smokes from eruptions decades ago. In Namaskard, the air is thick with sulfur, and the ground is painted in unearthly colors: yellow, orange, and gray. There are no trees here, only the raw minerals of the Earth's interior. It feels like walking on Mars. Nearby is Gullfoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall. It is a brutal force of nature, moving 500 cubic meters of water every second. The water is gray with silt, heavy and relentless. Gullfoss is the raw energy of Iceland made visible. It is not pretty, it is sublime. Landmannalaugar, the painted mountains. In the heart of the highlands, accessible only by the toughest vehicles, lies Landmannalaugar. These are the Rhyolite Mountains, painted in shades of pink, green, and gold. This is a world of geothermal rivers and ancient lava fields. Hiking here is like walking through a painter's palette. Steam rises from the ground, and hot springs offer a sanctuary in the middle of the wilderness. Landmannalaugar shows us that even in the harshest environments, there is a delicate beauty. It is a reward for those who are brave enough to leave the main road and face the wind of the interior. The Northern Lights, the dance of celestial souls. In the depths of the Icelandic winter, when the sun barely touches the horizon, a different kind of light takes over: the aurora borealis. These are the Northern Lights, a celestial ballet performed by solar winds colliding with the Earth's magnetic field. To see the aurora for the first time is a spiritual experience. Ghostly ribbons of green, violet, and crimson dance across the starlit sky, moving with a fluid grace that defies explanation. Ancient legends called them the breath of heroic spirits, or the shimmering armor of Valkyries. In the silence of a frozen night, watching the lights flicker above a glacier, you feel the connection between our small planet and the vast electric universe. It is a reminder that even in the darkest times, there is a hidden beauty waiting to be revealed. Iceland is a place that changes you. It reminds us that we are guests on a living, breathing planet. It is a land that has been broken by fire and frozen by ice. Yet it remains one of the most beautiful places on Earth. The people here, the descendants of Vikings, have learned to live with the uncertainty of the Earth. They understand that life is fleeting, like the Northern Lights dancing in the winter sky. Iceland is not just a destination, it is a lesson in resilience. It is a reminder that even after the fire, life returns. Thank you for joining Phu Discovery in the Forge of the North. Until the next discovery.